Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix TikTok profile view not showing. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, open your mobile phone Play Store, App Store. Now tap on search bar and search TikTok app. Make sure that your TikTok app is updated. If not updated, so guys, you first of all update your TikTok app. And after this, go back. So guys, you need to open your TikTok app. Now tap on profile icon and tap on right corner three lines and tap on setting and privacy and tap on privacy and scroll down and turn on profile view. Profile view history turn on. After doing all these steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comments and share.